worksheet that I got, it has little alligators at the bottom, and we're going to cut out the alligators and paste them in between two numbers, and the alligator is going to eat the bigger number. So when an alligator is eating a bigger number, I'll use green because alligators are green. Its mouth is eating the bigger number. So if we have the numbers 1 and 2, which number is bigger? Alex?
It's 2.
So where should it go? Should it be right here or right here?
2 should be
Right here or right here?
2 should be on the left side.
Right.
And 1 should be on the right side.
Right.
Because the plant's going to 1 and saying
Yeah, exactly like Mrs. Monkey said, right? Na, 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 I'm bigger than you. So what we want to focus on is at the bottom of our page, we're going to cut out our little alligators, and you want to make sure that your alligators eat in the bigger numbers, because that means that this number is greater than, and this number is, and then when you're all done with that on the front, you're going to flip it to the back, and you're going to have a bunch of numbers using this sign, which is, what kind of sign is this?
Equal.
Equal to, right? So you're going to write the number that is equal to the numbers I wrote on the back for you. Does that make sense to everyone?
Yeah.
Boys and girls, this is how we're going to break up today.
You're just going to write your name. You're going to ignore that. So,
Can I do the rate?
how many do you need?
I'm going to need, well,
Just take your
thanks.
Dre is over there. You don't know which group you're in? You're
We're going to share those.
Maddie, ask Mrs. Oliver. Yep, the numbers on the back are the equal to values. You know. Okay, so everyone look at number 1. 54, 93.
Work together if you get stuck. You have to cut out the alligators. And you have to
If you look at both of those numbers, how are you going to figure out which one is bigger and which one is smaller?
Looking at the tens.
in my group.
Exactly. So which tens has more?
30, I'm at 93.
The tens is the first value.
93.
And how did you know that 93 is bigger, Josh?
You took away the 0 and the 3 would be greater than 5.
And we're looking at the tens. So how did you know?
They want you to
Paige, can you help him out? Exactly. Yeah, I knew what you were trying to get at. So can you go grab a pencil and scissors, please? We have some glue here, but if you want to bring a glue stick, that's fine. That's okay. I got one for you.
Now, Simon's group, look at me real quick, please. Look at me real quick. Stop cutting and eyes on Mrs. Wiggy. On the back, there's something that you need to do as well. Alright? Think about what sign you see there. And what is going to have to go on the other side of that equal sign. Think about that. You'll have to write that in with your pencil. Cut carefully, please. My group over here, we're going to start on the front. First of all, please put your name on top.
That's okay. You can borrow someone else's. All right. So write your name on the top with pencil, please.
I don't know why. The road.
Simon, you should use that. All right, my group. I need you to
We're just gonna use it.
don't go
No, it'll just get too messy. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So write your name on the top, and then start cutting the alligators off at the bottom. It's okay. We have glue right here. It's okay, Paige. We're gonna start working on this. Okay. So once you write your name on top, cut the alligators off.
I almost got that, Emma, but I decided not to. So I
Find
got
what your
that.
scissors.
How do you cut it? You have to go like that. You have to go all the way around. Go all
Boys
the
and
way
girls,
around.
please don't forget your name on top of your paper. Very important.
Hello.
You're just gonna have to borrow some of the scissors.
You
Done
need
that
help.
first step.
we're all done here, we're going to make 2 separate piles. A pile of alligators that's greater than, and a pile of alligators facing the other way.
And a pile of scraps.
Yeah, and a pile of scraps. So Jeff, you're all done, so you can make 2 different piles, okay?
I think it's all
Yep.
done.
Raiden,
It's got the daily It's got the math sheet on the back.
Are you
I
able
forgot
to
to take off the 2, but I just left it because I couldn't even be able to see it anymore.
The other two
keep on cutting.
No, we have
When you're all done cutting your gators, like Jessica is, you're going to start making 2 different piles, okay? So look at number 1.
No, no.
Yeah, we're
taking the
versus 93.
after the whole
Look at Zane. Zane is already on number 4. So, oh,
Wait,
whoa.
let's do the party. I know.
Remember that alligator likes more food, so he likes the bigger number.
That's what I like too. I love more cupcakes. I love bigger scoop of ice.
Okay. How's it going? You starting to sort? Good.
This is hardly
Great, Paige, you're already sorted. So what you're going to do, so it doesn't distract you, perfect. Alright, so for number 1, 54 versus 93, we already figured that one out, right? Which one's bigger? So which way is your alligator going to face? We already figured out number 1, right? 54 versus 93, right? We looked at the tens place to figure out which one was bigger. Do you remember which one was bigger? Or which number is bigger here? Right. So which way is the alligator going to face? Right. He's eating the 93. No, they're all different. We have to figure them out. It's hard to know. So what do we do to figure out which number is bigger? Right. The tens is the first place. Right. No, he wants to eat bigger. Yep. Why don't you cut out all your alligators first, and then we'll go. See how we're going to do that?
So we can get through.
We put them in separate
I'm on
pieces.
number 8.
You all set? Just finish cutting, make sure 2 piles, one with greater than gators and one with less than gators. All right, Dre, I'll come to you, my friend. I'll come to you.
Let me see, Dre. Thank you.
That's how mom's called it. Oh, Dre, I noticed you have some left over.
Simon?
Miss
You
M
cut
got
these first before you start gluing.
Yeah, but this one's mine.
All right, you want to just do that one because it's already cut out?
Oh.
Josh, now that all your alligators are cut out, are you going to start gluing them?
Wait, do we just kill the snap?
Okay. So let's look at number 1. You already told me the answer to that one. Which number is the alligator eating?
93.
Right.
Is
Good.
it going to be eating 68? I'm on 9.
Look at the tens place page.
71.
There they go.
Yeah, I
Good
know.
job.
71.
Good job, Jess.
Actually, you should look at the ones and the 2. You should look at the ones and the 10.
Yep, because sometimes the tens are the same as the 1. They're the same. We have 2 of the same tens in some of them, right?
Then you would what? Then you would.
What would you do then?
Then you would only look.
We're not doing any plus. We're not doing any minus. Josh. Calm down.
Yeah.
Breathe in.
That's so easy.
Leave them alone.
Madison, morning work.
What is that on your eye?
Breathe in. Leave them alone.
Why? black.
Keep working.
Well, turn me
Okay.
black and then the top of the I'm whispering.
Brayden, if you do that one more time, we're going to have to talk to Mrs. Lewicki about it, okay? Good. Class on top and then your folder. You 95 is bigger? Right. Good. What's going on to the second one? So, 17 is smaller than 95 because 9 has more times than 95 has more times than 17. Does that make sense? Alright, keep going.
Right side.
Good, Josh. I love that you're on a roll. 4 and 9. How did you know 92 is bigger? 9 is more than 5. Yeah. Alright, keep going. You got to finish the whole page.
Okay, done.
Whole entire thing? Drum roll. Awesome job. Write class on top. Put it in your take-home folder. And finish your morning work. Oh, is someone at your desk?
Yeah.